Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Winnie Jo, as you all know, and today I'm going to be telling you all about our trip to Weymouth Sea Life. Well, this is the entrance, and we got our tickets online, and we are met by very beautiful, friendly staff. And this is the entrance in, and we took some photos in here, really beautiful photos where they put on key holders and all that, and you could get your soft copies online. And then the first area we visited was the Castaway Bay. Luckily, they have these little cartoons where you could see what's coming up, and you've got these numbers about everything, everywhere you need to go through. So the first point of call was this area, and wow, it looks beautiful. Look at these fishes. They look really exotic to me, don't they? So they had this globe where a kid could go in and watch the fishes from under it. It's really, really amazing. Now, don't forget you can follow me on all my social media and do same name. I am Winnie Jo, and if you've got any business inquiries, just send to my email. And shout out to Amber Student for sponsoring this video. Why don't you just sit down with your kids and watch this video to the end? And please don't forget to like, please, to help with my algorithm, share and subscribe. And yes, I know you'll be asking again, what's the name of this place? It's called Sea Life, yeah. Sea Life at Weymouth. So if you live in Dorset area, this is a place you could take your children to, and it will be so much fun. Thank you for watching this vlog. I'm going to leave you to it now. Thank you. Bye.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So I'm coming to the end of this video. This was the play area where my kids had fun, and in this area was the arcade, and there were lots of games for them to play. Thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to have business inquiries with me. Just send an email and go to the link beneath this video description to get all the relevant needs, all the relevant links rather, that you need to get in contact with me. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Bye for now.